Hi, I am Gino from AEROVIEW. Our product is called Drone VR System. This system can be widely used in a variety of drone platforms and DIY products. First of all, this system allows 2D and 3D graphics to be added on timely received images from real scenes. Also, it supports various drone AR applications. For example, the system can simulate the flight experience in the cockpit and a ground target appearing on your head display, and so on. Based on this drone AR platform, AEROVIEW provides SDK for third-party companies to develop more AR applications. This system is also a UAV FPV system. However, it differs from existing FPV equipment that is already on the market. The system uses an integrated, unique design of VR head display. It has a large screen that creates an amazing visual experience. When using this system for UAV FPV flying, you can get the real feeling of a real flight, as if you are physically flying in the sky or walking on the clouds. By using this system, the camera will synchronize with the movements of your head. AEROVIEW UAV VR system includes a VR head device display, a camera, PTC, flight control, and a wireless communication system that can act as a receiver as well as a sender. The data chain from AEROVIEW results in a complete UAV VR system. AEROVIEW VR head devices can be used independently also. For instance, you can use the playback feature to see the previous recorded flights. You can also enjoy 2D or 3D films, as you are physically in an IMAX theater. Also, you can use the device to watch VR movies and play VR games. Meanwhile, our VR display has an HDMI and AV signal output. You can also use the head display as a single display screen. AEROVIEW platform delivers all kinds of contents on a frequent basis to enrich the view contents on your head device. We will spare no efforts in returning your trust.